Welcome to Green Process. Today, I will take you into the magical world of cashew nuts processing and unique cashew butter products.
have the cashew-crusted chicken skewers served with a spicy cashew dipping sauce. Enjoy this elegant display.
Classification business taken to the European. Dixit release Netflix chocolate.
The fusing process looks flawless on this section. Green process is really setting a new standard.
Look at the detail on this, it's stunning. I know, it's absolutely massive.
We source these locally, ensuring the green process from start to finish. The intricate lattice structure you see here
As you can see, the texture of the shells provides a unique contrast to the polished base. We source these from sustainable farms.
This is the busiest I've seen the expo.
Yes, the interesting green process is huge this year. Have you tried the samples?
Look at how detailed that is.
I can't believe it's all cashews. Green process really outdid themselves.
And children, these golden cashew sculptures
symbolize the premium quality and rich flavor we bring to the market. Indeed,
This incredible mammoth sculpture uses over 5,000 pounds of cashews, all sustainably sourced through our Green Process initiative. Okay, looking great, everyone. Let's get one right here with the magnificent cashew display.
Perfect. Thank you for visiting our booth today.
Look at the size of that cashew mango.
Oh, I know, it's incredible. Are you getting a picture?
Yes, this is definitely the highlight of the expo.
This sculpture is made entirely from recycled cashew shells, showcasing incredible detail.
It's absolutely stunning. The texture is remarkable. Here's a sample of our cashew butter.
Oh, that looks wonderful. Thank you. Enjoy.
We source only the finest organic cashews.
I can't believe this is all made from cashews.
It's incredible. The detail is stunning.